Hi guys, this is Kunal and today we'll be making kofta kebabs with tamarind tomato sauce. We will begin with the sauce. So I will heat a pan. We'll add some oil. Oil is hot. We'll add chopped onions. So a quick stir to the onions. In goes some chopped garlic, some chopped ginger and green chili. Quick stir. We'll add some chili powder, some coriander powder. Give it a nice stir and add some chopped tomatoes. Add some salt and let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Mash the tomatoes as much possible. The tomatoes have gone a little mashy. Now's the time we'll add some tamarind pulp to it. Tamarind is quite sour, so we balance it with some jaggery. You can also use some sugar or honey if you like. At this stage, we'll add some water and cook this for another 5 minutes. So the sauce is going to be sweet, sour, spicy at the same time. It's quite an explosion. Now's the time we'll turn off the flame. Wow, look at that. Just look at that. That beautiful shine, that velvety look, brilliant. Yummy. For the minute, we'll keep this onto one side and we begin with our koftas. I'll be adding some boneless mutton pieces. I'll add some ginger, some garlic cloves, lots of mint, some cheese, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, salt and some nutmeg powder. In goes a dash of oil. Just let it grind. And it's done. Let's check. Look at that. Beautiful. It's time to take this out. Let's pull the mixture out. In the meantime, just wet your hands. Take a little bit of this kofta mixture. Gently roll it. There. There. Roll it again. Last, shape it. There. Perfect. Now, our pan is quite hot. We'll pour oil. Just heat the oil also onto a high. Carefully, we'll slide all the kebabs in hot oil. Just swirl the pan. Again on a high heat. Just cover it for about a minute or two. Alright, let's check on the koftas. Turn them on the other side. Again, keep the heat high, always. High heat again, cover it once more. Time to check on our koftas. There. Brilliant. Now, just to check, look at that. You see the meat, the moment you press it, it just springs back and it's really juicy. Look at all the juices oozing out. All right, the kebabs are about half done. At this stage, we will add our sauce into the pan. Look at that. Now, we'll add some water. Wash off all the sauce from the jar. There. At this stage, we will lower down the heat and gently simmer in this sauce for about another 10 minutes. We'll cover this and let it cook. In the meantime, we'll chop some fresh coriander, just roughly chop. Time to check on the koftas. Yes, they are done. We'll turn off the gas. Nice hot sizzling. In goes chopped coriander. Time to plate this. Pull out the kofta first. Now just pour over the sauce. Garnish with some fresh coriander. And our kofta kebab with tamarind tomato sauce done.